This video shows both Bimini tops in the upright usable position. You can see down the length that there's an actual overlap from one to the other, and it keeps you from having to zip in an additional piece. And this is overlapped. Let's go right here. Here we go. Here's where they join. Well, they actually don't join. The rear one is currently configured to sit over top of the first one, but with some adjustments in the height of the front one, raising that up, I would imagine you could have the opposite with the rear one under the front one, because this front one, you see the adjustments are available in the height of this leg, but you get an idea on how much coverage is here. Let me go all the way to the back as I trip over stuff. Alright, there's the rear where the anchor light slash flagpole is, and it goes all the way that way. One of these is 10 foot, one of these is 8 foot with 9 or 12 inches overlap in the middle, and it's giving you about 17.5, 18 foot of shade over your boat.